In this video, we solve MCQs questions about non-parametric test. This is first video on this topic. You can receive other MCQs videos about non-parametric test within few days. If you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Now let's start. Number 1. Tests that are based on the assumption that the sampled populations are approximately normal with equal variances. They are called parametric test, non-parametric test. Right answer is parametric test because our dataset follow the normal distributions, and normal distributions has two parameter, mean and variance, and it is the form of parametric distributions. So we can apply parametric test in this situation. Number 2. There are many situations, especially in social sciences, when normality assumptions in fact not met. The test to be used in this situation. When normality assumption not met, it means data set did not follow the parametric distributions. So in this situation, non-parametric test is suitable. So the right answer is non-parametric test. Number 3. A test that is performed without making any restrictive assumptions about the form of population distribution and associated parameters are called non-parametric test. The other name of non-parametric test is distribution free test, distribution test. Other name is distribution free test. Non-parametric methods are based on mild assumptions. The right answer is mild assumptions. Most of the non-parametric methods utilize measurements on nominal scale, ordinal scale, ratio scale. Right answer is ordinal scale because most of the non-parametric test follows the ordinal data set. Number 7. Non-parametric statistical method are not affected even if the observations are on nominal scale. In other words, non-parametric test is also applicable on nominal scale. Non-parametric statistical methods are not affected if the observations are not very accurate. Any hypothesis which does not involve the parameters of a probability function will be tested by non-parametric test because if dataset or any distributions does not follow the parametric probability family or probability or parameters of probability function, so we test it with non-parametric test. Non-parametric methods are appropriate even with dirty data. In non-parametric, generally there is no restriction on sample size. Number 12. The most common assumption in non-parametric statistics is continuity of the sample population. Other statistics is the sequence of observation. Most commonly used assumption about the distribution of a variable is continuity of the distribution, symmetry of the distribution, both above. Right answer is continuity of the distribution. The term dirty data implies contaminated data, inaccurate data, data with outlier, all above. Right answer is all above because dirty data shows, or other name of dirty data is contaminated data, inaccurate data, and data with outlier. The concept of asymptotic relative efficiency was given by E.J. Pittman. Relative efficiency in non-parametric test is the ratio power of 2 test Size of the sample, size of two tests. Right answer is size of the sample. Most frequently used method of breaking the tie is mid-rank method, average statistics approach to omit tied values. Right answer is mid-rank method. The Spearman rank correlation coefficient is a correlation measured based rank order data for two variables. Is the right answer for Spearman rank correlation coefficient. 20. Which of the following tests would be an example of non-parametric method? Would not be an example of non-parametric method. Which of the following tests would not be an example of non-parametric method? Sign test and Wilcoxon signed rank test are the non-parametric tests. So this is the right answer. Mann-Whitney-Wilcoxon test is not non-parametric test. 21. Which non-parametric test is alternative to simple coefficient of correlation? Rank correlation coefficient. Right answer is rank correlation coefficient. 22. Which of the following are non-parametric test? Chi-square test for goodness of fit, independence in contingency table, rank correlation coefficient, all above. All three are the examples of non-parametric test. So right answer is all above. The oldest non-parametric test is sign test. Which student's t-test is not applicable? The non-parametric test to be used is when student t-test is not applicable, and the non-parametric test to be used is sign test. We use sign test in such situation. Number 25. For one sample sign test, the sample number of observations compared to take sign with population median. In case of one sample in sign test, we take the difference of each observation with the population median, and the observations above median we give or allot plus sign, and observations below median we allot negative signs, and equal observations we assume 0. 26. The test statistics assumed for sign test is less frequent sign occur. Suppose if we have n is equal to 8, plus sign is 6 and minus sign is 2. So our less frequent sign is 2. In sign test, when n less than 10, the sampling distribution of x is binomial. In sign test, when the number of observations are less than 10, so we can use binomial distribution in such situation. In sign test, when n greater than 10, the sampling distribution of x will be normal. And other statistics to be used to test hypothesis in sign test is chi-square test. Chi-square and normal distributions, we can use both these tests in sign test when number of observation greater than 10. In sign test, the parameter for binomial distributions are n 1 by 2 p. Both n and 1 by 2 are the parameters of binomial distribution in sign test. In sign test, the test statistics for normal distribution is x minus n by 2 and root n by 4. This is the mean of normal distribution, and this value and root n by 4 represent the standard deviation of normal distribution. In sign test, The test statistics for chi-square distribution is n1 minus n2 square over n1 plus n2. In SPSS, where will you find an alternative to the independent sample t-test in non-parametric option? In SPSS, where will you find an alternative to test independent sample t-test? Non-parametric test legacy dialogues to independent samples. Thanks for watching. If you want to see videos on MCQs about hypothesis testing and the MCQs on probability, please click in front of your screen link. Thanks.